I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Hidden beneath the calm tropical waters of the ocean lies one of nature's most mesmerizing treasures, the pearl. Unlike diamonds or gold that are mined, pearls are grown inside living organisms, oysters. And behind each lustrous gem is a meticulous, years-long journey involving science, patience, and a deep understanding of marine life. From underwater oyster farms to precision surgery like seeding, and from delicate harvesting to polishing and grading, the path to creating a single, flawless pearl is a blend of nature and craftsmanship. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of pearl farming. We'll follow the full process from juvenile oysters to the sparkling pearl jewelry seen in luxury boutiques. Every pearl starts not with a pearl, but with an oyster. Pearl production begins in specialized hatcheries, where pearl oyster larvae are bred under controlled conditions. The most commonly farmed species include the Aquaculture oyster, the South Sea oyster, and the Tahitian black-lipped oyster, each producing pearls of different size and color. To begin the process, adult oysters are encouraged to spawn. Scientists stimulate reproduction by changing water temperature or light exposure. Each female can release millions of eggs, which are fertilized with sperm collected from male oysters. Over the next few days, the fertilized eggs develop into free-swimming larvae. At around 3 weeks old, they attach themselves to a solid surface, usually a plastic plate or mesh. These baby oysters, called spats, are then transferred to nursery nets, where they continue to grow in clean, nutrient-rich seawater. Farmers must regularly clean the nets to remove algae and predators such as starfish or crabs. After 6 to 12 months, once they reach a suitable size, typically around 2 to 3 inches, they're ready for the next step, implantation. At the heart of every cultured pearl is a tiny bead, the nucleus. This is the foundation around which the pearl forms. In a clean, sterile lab, skilled technicians, known as grafting experts, perform a delicate surgical procedure on each oyster. The process begins by gently opening the oyster's shell without harming its vital organs. A small incision is made in the gonad or mantle tissue. Into this incision, the technician inserts a perfectly round shell bead, usually made from freshwater mussel shell, along with a tiny piece of donor mantle tissue. This tissue contains cells that secrete nacre, the iridescent substance that forms the pearl. The operation requires extreme precision. If done incorrectly, the oyster may reject the nucleus or die. Because of this, only highly trained technicians are allowed to perform grafting. After the procedure, the oysters are returned to underwater cages to recover. The success rate depends on the species and the technique, but it's common for only 50% to produce high-quality pearls. Once nucleated, the oysters are returned to the ocean, where they will remain for up to 2 years. Pearl farms are typically located in calm bays or lagoons with clean water and stable temperatures. The oysters are suspended in protective mesh baskets, which hang from long floating lines. This method allows for easy maintenance and protection from predators. Over time, the oyster coats the implanted nucleus with layers of nacre, building the pearl inside its shell. Water quality, temperature, plankton availability, and salinity all affect nacre quality, and thus, the beauty of the final pearl. Farmers must check each cage every few weeks. They clean off algae, barnacles, and any parasites. Sick oysters are removed to prevent contamination. During this period, some oysters are also rotated or repositioned to ensure even nacre deposition and avoid irregularities. Patience is critical. A high-quality pearl can take anywhere from 12 to 24 months to fully form. Once the growing period is complete, it's time for the most rewarding step, the harvest. Oysters are brought back to shore and carefully opened by hand. A skilled worker uses a blunt tool to gently pry open the shell without damaging the pearl inside. With precise movements, the pearl is removed using tweezers. The nacre is evaluated immediately for luster, color, shape, and size. Only a small percentage of pearls are perfectly round. These are the most valuable. Others may be oval, baroque, or teardrop-shaped, which also find demand in modern jewelry. After extraction, many oysters are discarded, but in some farms, a second graft may be performed to grow a second pearl. However, the success rate and quality may decline after each cycle. Each harvested pearl is then washed, sorted, and ready for the next phase, cleaning and finishing. Bookmark: freshly harvested pearls are not yet R. First, they are washed in a mild saline solution to remove any organic residue. Then, they are gently polished with fine salt and a soft cloth to reveal their true luster. Next comes sorting and grading. Pearls are evaluated based on 5 main factors. Luster: the shine and reflectivity of the surface. 2. Surface quality: smoothness and the presence of blemishes. 3. Shape: round is the most prized, followed by symmetrical shapes. 4. Color, including body color and overtone. 5. Size, measured in millimeters. Highly trained graders examine each pearl under bright light and magnification. They separate pearls into matched batches for necklaces, earrings, or rings. Pearls with minor imperfections are often used for fashion jewelry, while top-tier pearls go to luxury designers. Once graded, pearls destined for jewelry are drilled, another delicate task. A specialized pearl drill creates tiny, precise holes without cracking the nacre. Round pearls may be drilled through the center for stringing, while half-drilled pearls are used for stud earrings. Drilling is performed slowly and underwater to reduce heat and vibration. After drilling, pearls are handed over to designers and jewelers who incorporate them into various settings: gold, silver, or platinum. High-end jewelry pieces may use only perfectly matched pearls, while fashion pieces may mix shapes and colors for creative appeal. Pearl jewelry is often assembled by hand, with strict attention to symmetry, spacing, and durability. From simple pearl studs to ornate necklaces, each item is a celebration of marine beauty and human craftsmanship. From a microscopic larva to a radiant gem worn around the neck, the journey of a pearl is a true testament to the wonders of nature and the power of patience. Each pearl holds within it not only layers of nacre, but also years of care, precision, and marine stewardship. In a world of mass production, pearl farming stands as a rare blend of biology,